How to change Instagram video thumbnail after posting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Instagram video thumbnail after you've posted it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, head over to your profile and then choose the video that you want to change the thumbnail of. As you can see right here, this video has this thumbnail. If I go to my Reels section, it's the same thing, as you can see right here. Now, if I want to change it, I'll first need to open that up. So after you're on that very post, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After you do that, you should find an edit option. If you scroll a bit down, tap on edit. After you tap on edit, to change the thumbnail, you'll get the cover option right here. Tap on the cover option. And now you can tap on add from camera roll. Tap on it and now you can choose any thumbnail, that is any picture from your device that you want as a thumbnail. I'll just choose this one, and after you've done that, tap on the done button. Now you can tap on done again and this will change your thumbnail. Now it might take some time depending on your internet speed. So as you can see right here, if I reload my page, the thumbnail has been changed. If I head over to my Reels section as well, the thumbnail is now changed. And that is how you can change your Instagram video thumbnail after you've posted it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.